Imagine a world where sensors are everywhere. In your phone, your car, and even in industry. Well, you live in this world. With a global production of 9 billion and a population of 7 billion, these tiny gadgets are an essential part of our daily lives. But not all sensors are the same. Have you ever wondered what makes a sensor perfect for digitizing cultural heritage? Let's take a trip down memory lane and find out. It all started with line sensors. These early sensors were slow and required mechanics to move the sensor. Over time, these mechanics would wear out and the overall performance was lacking. But then, a revolutionary technology emerged: high-resolution CCD sensors. These sensors were faster and required less mechanics, but still had a mechanical shutter. And then came the CMOS, rolling shutter sensor technology, which did away with mechanics altogether and pushed performance to new heights. But wait, there's more. Today's state-of-art is the CMOS global shutter. All pixels are exposed at the same time, resulting in crystal-clear images. But here's the thing. It's not just about having a lot of pixels. The quality and size of the individual pixels is just as important for achieving peak performance. And that's why it's important to invest in sensors that are manufactured to industrial standards, not just for consumers. Yes, this may mean a higher price tag, but it also means longer operating hours, which is essential for long-term use. At Book2Net, we believe in implementing the best sensors available. This is why our scanners can be updated when higher quality technology is available. And with more than 4,400 happy customers, we're proud to say that our commitment to quality is paying off. So join us as we explore the exciting world of imaging sensors and discover why they're an essential part of cultural heritage digitization.